Hi guys, it's me Elena. Today we're gonna be showing you how to make breakfast burritos. Oh, they're my favorite. I think you're gonna like them too, so let's get started. First, we're going to make sure we have all the ingredients: egg, cheese, tortilla, and butter. Before you turn on the heat, you gotta add the butter into the pan, just like this. Then you ask a grown-up to turn on the heat. Mama, always get the help of a grown-up when you're gonna use the stove. I have my mommy scramble the eggs. First, we're gonna do the microwave so we can soften out the tortilla and put it on a plate. Grab your egg. Get the eggs in the middle. The last thing is rolling it and cheese. I like cheese. I always like to do a taste test. This is why we wash our hands. Then we sprinkle with cheese. You can do a lot of cheese, a little cheese, whatever you like. Can I do one more taste test? So good. So this is how you fold side, and then this. And then flip it over so it stays closed. Thanks for watching. I hope you make this burrito too. Bye. Now let me go eat it.